believe that I actually forgot to open up mystery boxes? I mean, they're one of my favorite things to do is to have mystery boxes on this channel. And I totally forgot to open these. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel where we do lots of unboxings over here. If you're new to my channel, thank you for clicking on this video and joining us today. We're going to be taking a look at 3 mystery bundles from FabFitFun today. And yes, I totally forgot about them. I will be honest with you guys, I was digging through my office, which is a complete disaster right now. I have boxes everywhere. And behind all of the boxes, I saw this little bundle and it was just like all this plastic wrap. And I was like, what is that? So I dug through all the boxes. I got all the way through, get back there, and I realized these are the FabFitFun mystery bundles that I purchased from the winter collection, and I never opened them. So here we are today, finally opening up these mystery boxes. So like I said, I have 3 mystery bundles with me today. They are all in different sizes as well. Different goodies. I can confirm they're all different. So these bundles are from the winter collection. And the way that you know that is they're going to give a tag on the side of the bags. So the tags themselves will tell you that this is the year 24 and it is the 4th quarter. We have a mystery bag. This particular bag is bag number 12. So each bag will have its own number, but this is definitely the season and the ones that I clearly forgot about. So in order to purchase these mystery bundles, you're not going to be able to purchase them today. However, this spring box is launching very soon with FabFitFun, so you could get the spring mystery bundles. So I'm going to explain how you guys can purchase these. That way, if you are interested, you'll be prepared for that spring season. So these are called refills, and what that means is every quarter, these 3 mystery bags will automatically ship with my quarterly subscription box. So it's a reoccurring charge. They retail for $19.99 a piece. So in total, I have $60 worth of mystery bags here. You are allowed to purchase a maximum of 3 bags. Now, when it comes time to customize your box, so when we get to the spring season, you'll go online, you'll customize your box, and you're going to have a page that will say refills. And on that refill page, you can include, like, they have soaps and conditioners and hair products and dog toys and all sorts of different products that are reoccurring charges. One of them being these mystery bags. So you'll just need to search for mystery bag on that page, and then you'll just add however many you want, and then it's a reoccurring charge from there. So it's honestly really simple. It makes more sense when you can see it and you can actually go through and do it, but it's really not a hard process. So we're gonna go ahead and start with this mystery bag here to begin with. This is bag number 12. And like I said, I paid 20 bucks for this, so fingers crossed, it's worth it. So the first item that I have in here today is a tumbler. This, you know what's so funny? This brand, I just unboxed right before this video a different box and this brand was in it. So that's kind of ironic, but anyways, so this is a tumbler with a straw and it says it will hold hot and cold beverages inside of it. It's called Aqualina. It's vacuum insulated. It looks like it's going to be in this pink, like blush color. And it says it's BPA free as well. This one also is double walled and it's vacuum insulated. So that way it will stay hot and cold the entire time. So it's a 20-ounce cup. All right, let's go ahead and pull this out and take a look at it. But it seems like this seems really nice. Now the cup that I saw in the other unboxing that I did, but I want to say it was like $30 for it. So I'm kind of wondering if this might have just paid for my entire mystery bundle. Not like all of them, but at least for this $20 one, I feel like this is good. So this is what it looks like here. It's a really soft pink color. I really like the color a lot. It's very cute. And then this is what it looks like up top here. So you're able to pop the lid and that way you'll have it as a hot drink. And this does seal all the way, so that's really nice that, you know, if you are driving a little too crazy and, you know, you may spill, it's not going to come out because it's sealed. I mean, we've all been there. And then it does come with a straw, which is kind of funny that it has a silicone tip on the end. Why is it like that? That's so bizarre. Why isn't it just all the way like a plastic straw, but I mean, it comes with it. So, I mean, it's nice. And it looks like you can just lift up that little dispenser there and then you've got your straw. Or is it because it will shut with the lid? Like if I push down on this, oh, it does. If you push down on the straw, then you can seal it. And then when you're thirsty again, you open it up and it pops right up. See, I get it. I had to think about it, but I finally figured it out. All right, I approve of this. I think this was really good for the first item. I think it probably just paid for the $20 mystery bundle too. The next item included in this bag is Ella Miz. This is a good mystery bag. So this is the Vital Veggie Mask. It is a prebiotic mask and it will help to hydrate and balance your skin. Full size product here, you guys, 2.5 ounces. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I didn't even realize this was Ella Miz. This is so cool. So love that we have this brand in here. This one will hydrate your skin and balance it out, like I said. So if you have any redness or uneven skin tone, this should help with that process. I'm excited. Now, I don't see an expiration date anywhere. So, I mean, I would assume it's fresh. It's FabFitFun. I've never had an issue with them sending old products at all, but that's awesome. I'm a little shocked at how well this is going. Last up, we have some socks in here, and these are cute. So this is from Summer and Rose. This is an in-house brand from FabFitFun. So FabFitFun did make this, well, maybe they didn't make this product, but they at least put their label on the product. So this is a set of heel socks. There are 5 pairs here. They fit a size 6 to size 10. So this should fit me no problem. 98% polyester. They're not the softest socks. I mean, I really like cotton socks because they're so soft. These are not as soft as I would like, but I do think they're decent. I mean, I do think they're really cute. I like the little cheetah print on here. We've got some of the orange. Oh, it's cute. It's like cherry blossoms. So I do think they're fun. I like the patterns a lot. They're definitely ankle socks. These might work well in like Converse. I'm wondering like with my low tops, if this will be low enough to kind of hide them a little bit, but I do think it's good. I think that first mystery bag is well worth the $20 that I spent on it. I mean, truthfully, you guys, for me to be able to use all 3 of those products is already worth it in my opinion, just for use, but I think I made more than that. Like, I think I did really well on this mystery bag. Well, let's keep it going, you guys. We're gonna open up our next mystery bag, which is number 7. So this one here, ooh, something has leaked. I can definitely tell, and I love this brand, but there's just product all over in here. So that's a bummer that it leaked, but maybe that's my fault too because it's been sitting back there for so long. I would have thought though with the lid on it, it would have been fine, but yikes. Yeah, it is on everything. So this is the first product in here and it is just, I mean, it's like crystallized on the outside of all of it. So this is my beanie. This is the first item in bag number 7 and it's got a cute little black pom on here. It looks like it can come off as well. There is a snap up here, so you can remove it. If you don't like it and you want to do just the beanie by itself, you have that option at least. I sometimes like the tops of these and then sometimes I don't. This one doesn't look the greatest to me, so I would probably use it without. I don't know why, but it just looks kind of cheap in my opinion. But I like this part of the beanie. I think this is really nice. It's thick as well, so I think that's good. It doesn't have a price tag or anything. It's polyester, acrylic, and nylon. Virginia Wolf is the brand name. So it does seem nice. I wonder though, it looks a little small. Let me see here, maybe. It's a tad bit small for my head. So you really gotta stretch it out. It's still wearable. I can still work with it, but I can tell it is a little bit small compared to the other beanies that I wear. Some of this is so slimy from the way that it's leaked everywhere. So this next item that I have here, also made by FabFitFun. This is their Chic and Tonic brand. It is a globe ice cube tray. So that is what we have, is a silicone tray here. This will make ice into perfectly round spheres. So these ones aren't gonna be too big. You'll seal this first and then you're gonna fill these up with water on this side and then you just stick them in the freezer and you're gonna have perfectly round spheres afterwards. So this one Does it say if it's BPA free? I'm not sure. It says it's 100% silicone. Yes, it is BPA free and freezer safe as well. So that's awesome. It feels kind of like a dollar store item that I could get fairly inexpensively. You know what I mean? Like, it's okay. It's definitely not as good as the first bundle. See, this is the problem. When you open it up and have an amazing bundle, you just compare all of the other ones to the very first one. I am really disappointed that this product leaked everywhere. I mean, it is a hot mess, you guys. Look at this. It's even got the fuzzies from the beanie on it. So living proof, we have the texturizing foam. It will give you texture, fullness, and a hold. I just don't understand how it leaked because the lid is on here, it's tight, and it's got a cap, and this has not been removed, and it's all on the outside of it. So I just don't even understand, like, what happened here. It's not like this was pressed down or anything. So I don't know if maybe it was already a mess like this at FabFitFun, or if it's because I left it sit for a while, but I don't know. It just seems really odd that it made a mess, period. Bag number 7, it's not my favorite. It's okay. And I don't think I'm gonna reach out to FabFitFun about it spilling or leaking because it's been so long that it's probably my fault, you know what I mean? So I'm not gonna worry about that. But it's okay. I love the first one, but that one was just all right. Third time's a charm, you guys. We're gonna look at our last mystery bundle today. This one is bag number 13. Now, bag number 12 was really good, so maybe 13 is also good. If you guys decide to do this with your spring boxes and you get the mystery bundles, you're not able to choose which numbered bag you get. They're gonna surprise you with it. The nice thing is they do keep a record of what you've received in the past, and they never send you duplicates. So I do really like that option. Although, I mean, there have been a couple things I would have taken a duplicate on, but you're always gonna get different things. First item that we have is a set from Invisibobble. These are the original hair ties, and there's a set of 8 in here. Now, I just told you guys how we don't receive duplicate products. This is an item that I have received in the past, but it's never been a pack of 8. So it's technically different, you know what I mean? But I have had this brand before. So for some of you who have watched this channel before, you're like, wait a second, Sydney, we have seen that. It's honestly different because it is a different packaging, different colors in here. Love this brand though. It's the only hair ties I put in my hair now because they don't create breakage. So they have a really cool like coiled design, and that will eliminate breakage, and you're gonna have stronger hair because of it. So if you pull your hair up a lot, I would recommend looking into those. The next item that we have in here is from Grown Alchemist. This is good. We have the enzyme exfoliant. So full-size product, this is 2.53 ounces. It is cruelty-free and all made in Australia. So this one is one of those metal tubes that you can actually squish and roll down. That way you'll be able to get all of the product out of here. They're also easier to recycle as well. So love this brand. That's good. And last item is this huge thing, which I don't know what this is yet. Made in India. This is the 3-piece storage basket. Love storage. Okay, let's take a look here. See what these baskets look like. I like the print. Oh, these are waxy. So these are a set of 3. Here's your print. I think it's cute. I kind of like the way it looks. But inside, they're a waxy lining, so you can actually wipe these out. So if you have a spill or a mess, they're easy cleanup. So this is, again, made in-house. It's the Summer and Rose brand. So this is what the larger one looks like. So it's just a flexible canvas bag. It's not as sturdy as I was hoping for. So the only thing that's sturdy is this part here. There's a metal band that goes all the way around inside of this, and you can see where they've stitched over it. But then down below, because this can all be collapsed, this is all just fabric. There's no wiring in any of this structure. I would have thought in this bottom portion there would have been, but it's not. This is just fabric. So this is what it looks like. I feel like this could work for some things, but you wouldn't want to put too much weight in here because I do feel like it would give out on the bottom, or it would rip. Because think about it, if you had a whole bunch of books or heavy things in here, the stitching around all of this is what's going to give out. So I feel like it could easily break. Oh, and it stinks. It's got an odor to it. That is not me. I showered today. I know what I smell like, and it is not that. Oh, these are, okay. I don't know how to put this. I don't want to be offensive by any means, but do you know when you get like cheap products from like Wish or Alibaba and they have this like factory smell to them? That's what this is giving me. There's like this funky, fishy odor to it. And it's like, oh, this just, I kind of wonder if these are like really cheap. You know what I mean? Like FabFitFun slapped their brand name on it, said, hey, we picked these up for pennies on the dollar. We can flip it and make a few bucks. Yeah, I thought these were going to be nicer. The more I investigate, the more I'm a little bummed by them. But I do feel like you could use them for certain things. I just don't think they're as functional as they could be. Who knew I was such a basket snob? So that is everything for the FabFitFun mystery bundles from winter. Comment down below, you guys, let me know what do you think. But that first bag is definitely where it's at. And I will say, in my experience of doing these bags, usually you will have one stellar bag that is so good, and then the other two are very average. So I feel like, I don't know if they give me one good bag because I buy 3, or if you bought one, if they would just give you a really good bag for that first one. But that first bag was really good for me. So if you guys would like to try out these mystery bags come spring, you will need a FabFitFun subscription in order to purchase these. So I will be posting a link down below, and I've got a discount code. That way you guys can save money off if you decide to sign up for that subscription. But the spring box is going to be kicking off very soon. So they've already reached out to me, I think last week, and said, hey, we're going to be launching our spring box. So I'm going to be working with them again come spring. So hopefully I'll have a spoilers video up and everything so you guys can see what's coming. But again, in order to get these mystery bundles, you have to have a subscription first. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day. And I will see all of you in my next unboxing video. Bye.